What's up, my crypto legends? Well, just a couple of days ago, we did get a huge rejection from this $26,800 range. This was mentioned on the latest video that this level was extremely important. I'll explain why it was important in this episode and what could happen next for Bitcoin here in the next coming hours and days so we can look for those trading opportunities. Of course, we'll be zooming out and analyzing the scenario here for the next coming weeks and months, and I'm going to explain why there's going to be a massive bull run in between 2024 and 2025, guys, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. Let's dive in here straight into the content, guys, because we did get that beautiful rejection mentioned on the latest video just a couple of days ago here with that massive rejection from this point. Why did we reject from this level? Well, it was basically a back test from this failed auction here that we had just about 2 weeks ago, where we had a massive breakout here, then failed down, and we were talking about a possible back test of this level, hitting the 618 Fibonacci from this pivot high to the pivot low, as you can see right over there, hitting that zone perfectly, getting that really nice rejection of about $400. This was also mentioned in the Legends trading community, and on the Legends trading community we even talked about the second opportunity, which was this one right over here, another test creating this double top to have that pretty nice decent correction again of about $300-400. So we are getting ready also for these small little trading plans, guys. If you want to join the Legends community, you have the link down below in the description. Of course, my favorite crypto trading platform is Bybit, guys. This is where I do 100% of my crypto trading. Check it out, guys. You do get a $30,000 worth of bonus down below with the link in the description. Now, going here through the next possible scenarios. Okay, Andy, I missed out this trading opportunity that you actually mentioned on YouTube here to get this rejection to come here to the value area high of the range. So that was a $300 drop, even it was slightly more, getting slightly beneath the value area high of this trading zone. What is the next trading opportunity? Where can I look for the next trading opportunity? Because I have missed that one that you mentioned on the latest video update. Well, this zone over here, this level, of course, is providing that resistance. Getting above this level successfully with a huge amount of volume could bring us an opportunity. Where is the resistance here that we do have? We have a naked point of control. This was from the volume that was created here in this day of the 31st of August. As you can see, we did create that high volume node at that zone. That is a naked point of control where we could get a reaction from that zone. Now, if we do get that reaction from that level, what is the kind of opportunity that I want to see? Okay, what is the kind of price action that I want to see to jump into that trade scenario? We need to get rejected from this level for me to possibly get into that trade scenario. I do not short as we pumping through the level. I short as we get rejected, and this is very likely going to come down to this zone over here, very respected level, which is the $26,800. Very important, I need volume on this breakout. If this volume is very low as we're hitting this level, of course we can still short this zone, but I would see this as a possible scalping long opportunity, potentially to retest the high from the breakout. Very similar to this price action where you move up, you come down, and you come back up and test the high and create that double top. So if this does happen with a significant amount of volume, I think that it's likely going to get a bounce here at this crucial level that has been respected as resistance for the last few days. If we do get that high volume, very important, that will bring me confident here for this small consolidation to get that bounce and get a retest of the high and possibly fail to break out, and then obviously get into that deeper corrective move here in the next coming days. I need that breakout, guys. Price action has been extremely boring now for the last few days. I'm in Singapore. I'm meeting a huge amount of crypto influencers, content creators, traders. It's absolutely amazing here seeing the Formula One and meeting much different people in the crypto space. So this is what I can see right now, guys. You know, the latest scenario played out really nicely, mentioned on YouTube, of course. This was just a couple of days ago, that rejection from this level. This is what I'm looking at. Price action is very boring, guys, of course, for the last few days. It is the weekend. Tomorrow, Monday, we'll be seeing a little bit more volatility, but I'm expecting this high, you know, if it were to have another chance of a breakout, of course, on the third attempt, it is likely to break out. There is a possibility that it might create a third double or triple top, right? A third touch here and a triple top, and then get a huge massive rejection. We just leave it as an, it's maybe possible. So we just need to be ready for that possible scenario. Now, if we do break out, I'm expecting the $27,200 range. We could get above the level. I am not interested in shorting above the naked point of control. I would expect getting rejected at the 7/8 Fibonacci from this pivot high to the pivot low. So there is a possibility in trying to hit 7/8 as we reject and get beneath the naked point of control, which is at 27.2K. I think this is a great shorting opportunity. It could drop about $200-300 in a matter of a few hours. That's a possible trading setup. Manage your risk with stop loss above the high created. And if this breakout is with high volume, I would expect at least one bounce here from this level of 26,800, possibly to test a high and then finally come down, because I think that we're not going to go to 28K or 29K in the next coming days. I think this is a zone where we are likely going to get rejected, guys, in the next 1 to 2 weeks, okay? So that is basically it for the short-term analysis. Most of the people are more focused on the short-term. Long-term, we can see Bitcoin going to 23K, maybe to 29K in the next coming weeks, all right? On the higher time frames, I will be doing some more updates, but for the moment, it is a weekend. We are range trading. There's not much going to happen. Now, I want to let you know why in 2024 to 2025 is where the bull run is going to start, guys. Quick update here on a tweet that I just posted. Bitcoin will enter a huge bull run in 2024-2025, and here are some reasons why. ETF approved will happen in Q1 of 2024, if not earlier. Halving is going to be in between April and May of 2024. Of course, the supply of Bitcoin mining is going to be cut in half. Less supply, not only mined, also in exchanges, is going down for over 3 years, guys. Interest rate cuts start in 2024, meaning that money printer is likely going to turn on at some point very drastically in 2024. That's what I do expect, of course, with the interest rates going down. We are going to get interest rate hikes, by the end of the year, of course. I think there's going to be in between 1 or 2 more. From 2024, we're going to start cutting interest rate, guys, and that is obviously a good sign. There's going to be more liquidity. It's going to be easier to access money, and money printer will have to go on very, very soon. 2024 is an election year. Most election years, markets have a bullish trend, guys. So very likely markets are going to be still bullish. Stock market, S&P 500, NASDAQ. So it's likely to be bullish in between 2024 and 2025 because it's an election year. Election years are usually really good, guys. So many events here for that massive Bitcoin bull run to happen in between 2024 and 2025, guys. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.